What's going on, guys? Quick break today. We're just doing a one box break of 2019 Tier 1 baseball. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to grab a dummy just to make it a little more fun. Seems like a 3-hit pack. First card's number to 50, at least we know that. Okay, there's your 3 hits. We're gonna go with the relic first. Single color relic, D.D. Gregorius, 305, a 375 D.D. Let's go to the auto on the back. That always seems to be the lesser. To 250. Trevor Williams. This guy's pitching well for the Pirates. Trevor Williams. Trevor Williams. And our front auto, number to fit. He's a Met. Oh, no way. Let's go. Nolan Ryan. Huge. Oh man, I am stoked. I've never pulled a Nolan Ryan Met auto before. Oh, awesome. Was not expecting that. I try to remain calm looking at my Trevor Williams auto, but now all is well with the Nolan Ryan. Sick. Awesome. That's why I love this year's Tier 1, man. You don't need case hits to get Nolan Ryan. Autograph subjects are so much nicer this year and such better possibilities. Awesome. Great. Thanks, guys, for watching. I appreciate it. See you in the next one. Awesome.